Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to check history on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see your options like contacts, chats, and settings. Well, you're going to have to stay on chats. Then on the top of your screen, you're going to find search bar. Go ahead and tap on it. There you'll see categories like chats, channels, apps, media, links, file, etc. And below there, you'll find your Telegram history. And guys, that's it. That's how you check history on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.